So in this video, I'm going to talk about what to do if your brush on your Roomba will not spin on its own, and if you try to spin it yourself, why it's very difficult. So first thing you do is you take this screw off right here, and then we'll do that real quick. Just wiggle this and it pops right off. So this was the next thing that you see right here. Well, I just did this to mine a few seconds ago, and this is what I pulled out. The hair gets wound up in there as it's cleaning, and it slowly binds down on this little gear and prevents it from spinning. So you just pop this off, just pop this piece off, take all the hair off. Sometimes you have to cut it and then pop it right back on, and then you're back in business. If you let this go too long with the hair being wrapped around there and this not being able to spin, you keep running your Roomba, you're gonna have to take the whole assembly off, and there are plastic gears that are underneath of here. It's gonna wear out the gears and break them off, break the teeth off, and you'll have to replace all of that. So make sure you maintenance it on a regular basis.